Hey folks, just want to do a quick video as the cryptocurrency markets are crashing and of course stocks are crashing as well. Just want to let people know, we all know that we're going to crash probably down to $20,000, possibly even down to $15,000 for Bitcoin. Now that's worst case scenario. 20,000, 25,000 is really where we need to be. Now a lot of people think, oh, we've already dumped so much that we're not going to dump any further. The worst is over. Well, I would say the worst is probably over, but unfortunately, the last 20, 30% dump is the hardest, because when you see your asset drop, 80%, and then it goes down to 95%, especially if you're talking about these altcoins, that really hurts. Cardano dropping from $3 down to 50 cents, that hurts. But Cardano dropping from $3 down to 20 cents, that's a lot worse. Same with your VeChain. If that drops down to a penny and you bought it at 24 cents, that's pretty bad. So the last 10 to 20% of droppage sucks. And that's when the market sentiment really turns nasty. People basically give up and all you see is negativity. We're not quite there yet. You're still seeing the positive YouTube videos. You're still seeing George from Cryptos R Us putting out the positive stuff. You really have to wait a little bit longer. And right now, you're seeing the stock market absolutely decimated. The retail numbers have come out. For your retail stores, they're down. These stocks are dropping 20, 30, 40% in a day. Coinbase stock down 40%. Why are the retail stocks jumping? Because nobody has any money, folks. I mean, look, even if you're a middle class, upper middle class person, you're not buying that $5,000 TV at Best Buy this week. Maybe last year you were, but you're not this year. So you're going to see the numbers crash. Now, even if you're comfortable, you're middle class, you're doing fine. You're not just throwing money away right now. And you're not going to be throwing money away in the stock market. We are going into a recession. 2022 is going to be bad. We're going to see the bottom for Bitcoin this year, probably, maybe even by the summer. And I think that bottom is $20,000. We did hit $25,000 a couple weeks ago, but I think we need to go down to at least 20 because that extra $5,000 is going to decimate the altcoins. It's going to decimate them, and it's going to create a flush out of the system. So while I do think the worst is over on a technical level and on a percentage level, I don't think the worst is over on a psychological level, because people are still way too bullish and people have not hit that depression stage yet. Even myself, I know the crash is coming. I know we're going down that low, and I know a lot of the altcoins I hold are going to drop another 50%. It's going to hurt me, even though I know it's going to happen, because when you see those kind of losses, it hurts. But that's when you have to capitalize. So, like I've been saying in my previous videos, if you have no crypto right now, it's time to start buying. If you hold a ton of crypto right now, it's time to start looking for good deals. For me, I already have a ton of Cardano at like 40 cents, 45 cents. I already have some Bitcoin at 25,000. I'm looking for $20,000 Bitcoin, 25-cent Cardano, a penny and a half VeChain, Theta under 80 cents or 90 cents, Solana at $20, $25, AVAX at $15, $20. You pick your coin. We're not quite there yet. Now, if you already have a bunch of these coins, hold, or maybe buy cost average a little bit. But I do think we're going to see further dumpage in the crypto market. Maybe we even dump down to $25,000 today. It's coming, folks. It's going to be a long year. And once we get that dump down to 25,000, we're probably going to go sideways for the rest of the year. And every time we pump up a little bit, everybody's going to get all excited. But folks, that's how bear markets are. It's very common for in a bear market. I remember 2020, 2019, Bitcoin be at $10,000, and then it would dump down to $6,000. Then it pump up to $13,000. Then it would dump right back down to $7,000. Don't get bullish off these little pumps. We're in a bear market. It's going to be like this for the next year. And that's the way you have to look at it. Just look for your cheap coins. Now, today is a depressing day. Everything's dumping. Stocks are dumping. But just look at today as an opportunity day. And just pay attention. Set your buy orders. Set your limit orders. And if you're into Cardano like me, just start accumulating, because this is the time to do it. All right, folks, we'll see what happens. I'll probably do a video later. But I think today is going to be a nice fat dumpage day for crypto. So, going down to 27, even $26,000 today or this week is not out of the question. So don't get scared. Just remember, you buy now. In 2023, 2024, you can retire.